delivery right through the defence. And the off stump has gone for a walk. The Indian captain dismissed. He's all over Pakistan at the moment. Jasprit Bumrah, 2 and 2.
Through him, perfect delivery, outstanding, and again success in the power play for Dilshan Madhushankar. Brilliant. Middle stump down.
And this one's gone, Butler, the one coming in. Naveen Ulhaq in the middle of a good spell. And he's been getting the ball to go out, but this one just comes back in.